Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the screen in Samsung Chromebook. That's a type of computer I typically don't work. I don't work on Chromebooks. Different reasons, mostly due to their low price and not being worth to actually have it fixed. However, this is one of the newest Chromebooks from Samsung, and it costs a little bit close to $1,000. So what happened with this computer? As you can see, the hinge broke on the right hand side, and it took with it the digitizer. Now it's should be a fairly straightforward repair. I have the replacement screen right here, which came with the hinges. If you're curious where you're getting this screen, eBay, it's your best friend for finding parts. And yeah, that's with that said, let's dig into it. Let's remove the screen from this Chromebook. Okay, just give me 1 second. Okay. So, pretty much we'll have to open the computer up. As you see, there are no visible screws on the back of the computer, but I bet there are screws right under the legs. So we're gonna remove these little rubber feet. We'll pop them up just like this. Okay, and we're gonna take a regular Phillips screwdriver and remove these 4 screws. Okay, so we have the 4 screws removed. Now we're gonna take a little pry tool, something like this, and we're gonna insert it right here. Okay. And you work your way around the edges. Okay. We'll go on the other side as well. It comes relatively easy. And there you go. That's the inside of your Chromebook. Now, first thing, because in this one you have to make sure, well, pretty much like in any other computer, you gotta make sure that the battery is fully disconnected. You don't want to burn anything. So as you see, this is the battery right here, and you have the battery connector. This fella right here. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna put the nail underneath, and we're just gonna lift it up just like this. And the battery is disconnected. Now we can work on removing the old screen. This one right here, it's your LCD connector. Use your nail, or use you can even use a metal tweezer. I'm sure that not many of you have a plastic tweezer, but in this case you can just put your nail right under this tab, lift it up just like this, and we're gonna remove the LCD connector. And on this side here, that's your digitizer connector. So we have to remove that. This is held together by a little tape. I'm gonna pull it out just like this and lift it up. Okay, that's all it is to it. Now, the hinges of the old screen are held together by 6 screws, 3 on a side, 3 on the other side. We're gonna remove these ones. Okay. One, two, three. This is an extremely easy procedure. Okay, it's very easy to remove the screen. The screen itself costs about $230, the whole assembly. You won't be able to find just the digitizer, so you'll have to buy the whole screen assembly. Okay. So now, with the hinges removed, we're gonna lift up just like this the top case, and then we're gonna put it down just so it gives us a little room to grab the old hinge, and we have to lift it up just like this and like this. Now we're gonna slide the bottom case out just like this. Okay, we have the old screen removed, and now I'm gonna work on this side of the table because it's easier to put the hinges. So we're gonna take the new screen, make sure it aligns. It has some little little holes over there. It has to go through it. We're gonna put back the screws. Okay, now we can close the computer as normal, and we can connect back the digitizer and the LCD connector. So this one has a little tab right here, which is helpful in helping you grabbing the actual connector. Make sure it's all the way in. Close the little tab. Make sure the cable is right here. You put it behind that plastic tab. And in here, okay, we're gonna connect the digitizer. Push it all the way in. Put the tape back on. And that's pretty much all it is to it. Don't forget to put back the battery connector. As you see it, the battery connector has to go right in here. Okay, so try not to jiggle it, just put it straight down and you'll push it down. Okay, it is on. Computer started automatically. Okay, so you have the screen working. We're gonna test the touch screen functionality of it, and yeah, well, I have to charge it. I guess it's discharged, but as you see, the screen closes and opens as it should be. We're gonna put back the top. Okay, let me just. Okay. Sorry, my camera, it's a little bit funky today. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Bear with me for a second as my camera is giving me some troubles. Okay, stay there. I guess I'll have to work with one hand and hold the camera with the other hand. So we're gonna push the plastic back cover. Go like that on the side. Okay, on the side it has to click. Now we're gonna take the 4 screws. We're gonna reattach one, two, three, and 4. Okay. The screws are attached. We're gonna put back the rubber feet. We're just pushing them down. Okay. It doesn't have a certain angle it will go, so we just take it and push it. It will go right in. And there we go. We have the Chromebook, which opens up as it should be. It should open up. As you see, the hinges are in perfect shape, and that's all it is to it. Okay, so this was one of the quickest possible repairs which I did in a while. It's very simple. Feel confident in doing it. It's nothing I would rate it easy, not even a medium in terms of complexion of the complexity of the repair. Again, you can get all the parts you need on eBay. If you have any other website, feel free to use any other website, but that's where I got my part. I know many comments will be, oh well, where did you get your part? eBay. So with that said, I hope that this video is gonna be helpful for somebody in case the Samsung Chromebook screen gets messed up in this particular model. If this video helped you in any way, please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, have a good one.